Hey everybody, it's Ian the Off Kilter Crafter. I hope you're having a great day today. Today we're going to be putting this simple and clean card together using the Simon Says Stamp card kit box thing from July. If you got that one, you can actually put this one together, which is a very simple and quick card that goes together very well with summer. So I'm going to stop blabbering and let's go ahead and put this card together. To get started today, I'm going to be using some products from the Simon Says Stamp July, I believe it's the July stamp set, or card kit thing, that they put out every month. Inside of it was this stamp set, and I want to use the Be a Flamingo in a Flock of Pigeons. It also came with this flamingo die as well, so I think I'm going to combine both the die and the sentiment together onto a card. And the first thing that I need to do is I need to go ahead and die cut several of the flamingos from this very bright pink cardstock. I think it'll look great. So let's go ahead and do that first, and I'll meet you up after we cut out all of these flamingos. Okay, so this is kind of what I'm going for as I'm putting my card together, putting the flamingos on kind of cattywampus. I don't know, maybe I should put them on more directly? Like this? I don't know. Kind of like it going across a little bit more though. Plus I can fit more on there, I feel like. Anyways, alright, so we'll set these aside for now. I didn't know how many I need, so I went ahead and die cut just a whole flock of them. And then I also did one in the glitter paper that it was included in the kit. So, I don't know, we'll see. But I'm going to go ahead and do my stamping of my sentiment, so that way I know what it's going to look like whenever I finish it up. Alright, I think I've decided that I'm going to do some heat embossing with white on black cardstock. I'm going to use my Versamark, which is a little dusty. I'm going to use my Versamark ink pad to ink this up. This is a clear sticky ink that I almost stuck that down the wrong way. It's a clear sticky ink that allows you to heat emboss with, and yeah, it'll hopefully give us the image that we're looking for. I always have a little hard time with Versamark. I always want to make sure I'm inking it up nice across the entire image. This is a rather large stamp as well, so I want to make sure that I'm really pushing down nicely. And I don't know which way I'm going to go, so I'm just going to stick it right down in the middle. I'm going to make sure that I'm really going to press down, transferring all that ink over onto the paper. There we go, perfect. Alright, next I'm going to cut this out. Since I know for sure that this edge right here is a straight edge, I want to cut along there. I'm actually going to cut, this is also a straight edge as well. So I'm going to start on this side and just trim it up a little bit. Okay, now that I have my sentiment heat embossed, it's time to go ahead and start assembling this whole card. I think I am going to keep it on the like horizontal here. I think that'll work out just fine. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start taping on my little flamingo dudes onto it. Okay, now that I've gotten most of the flamingos down, I'm going to go ahead and cut this banner so that it's a little shorter, so that way it fits across the entire panel. That may not have gotten cut 100%. It may be a little off kilter. Oh well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a little fishtail in it, just like so, and then coming up from the corner to where that line meets. And then the same thing on the other side. And we'll probably put it somewhere right about there. I like that a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Tombow Extreme because this paper is warped a little bit. So I really want to make sure that it's gonna stay down. And I'm also out of foam adhesive, so won't be doing any foam adhesive for it today. Because I thought about that. I thought about doing foam adhesive, but don't have any today, so can't do any today. I'm gonna put it right about here, I think. And then just put it across just like that. Okay, so I have grabbed my paper trimmer. What I'm gonna do is flip it onto the back, flip the card onto the back side, and then I literally am going to press the 110 pound cardstock. This is Nina Solar White 110 pound cardstock. I'm gonna press it up against the edge. Whenever I run the blade along that edge, it's going to trim off the flamingos. Okay, I'm really liking how this came out. I do need to do one more thing though. It's on the die, it actually will emboss specific points in for you to see. Like, there's detail in here that you may not be able to pick up on camera. But I'm gonna add in, let's see, 0.3 is smaller than 0.1. So there's a little spot for the flamingo's eye. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Copic multi-liner set and I'm just gonna go in and fill that eye in with the multi-liner set. I also am going to go ahead and do the little details. So on their wings, they have a little spot for their wings, so I'm just gonna fill that spot in. It's already, the Copic liner pretty much falls right in line with where those spots are, so I'm not really having to do any of the work. It's pretty much doing all the work for me. There we go, a very simple and clean, easy card to put together. Didn't take long at all to put this one together. This would be great if you are rushing out the door for a pool party. You can put this one together really quickly and head out the door. So really like how it turned out, and I definitely think that adding those little lines of the Copic multi-liner definitely helps make it pop a little bit more. So I think whoever receives this card is going to be tickled pink that you thought about them. Tickled pink, get it? I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know that you liked my video, and then they'll hopefully share it across YouTube land. Also guys, don't forget to hit that button down below that says subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already subscribed. And also click that bell notification icon that lets you know every time I go on YouTube Live, or if I post a new video, they'll send you a notification. You can also check me out over on my social media links. Those are listed down in the description below. Make sure to go check out my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more. Get social with me and say hello. I hope everybody has a great day, and remember guys, normal is just a setting on the dryer. Bye!